Do you want to know how you can log into your Playground AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your playground.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Playground AI Login. Go ahead and click on this link over here which says Playground AI and it will take you to the official login portal of Playground AI. What you need to do now is write down your email address in this box over here and then write down the password associated with your account in this box. After you write down your email address and password, click Continue. This way you can successfully log into your account in Playground AI. You can hide or unhide your password anytime by clicking on this eye icon. If you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. And if you don't have an account yet, click sign up and create a playground.ai account for you today. In case you want to skip all of the process and want to sign in with Google, there is an option to sign in with Google over here. Click on it and then check your Gmail. Click Continue and then you will be signed into Playground AI using your Gmail account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Playground AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.